Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make pho quick and easy. We'll focus on maximizing flavor while minimizing cooking time. Start by selecting a high-quality store-bought beef broth as your foundation. This simple step dramatically cuts down on the hours typically spent simmering bones. Next, gather your fresh ingredients and prepare them efficiently. You'll be enjoying a delicious bowl of homemade pho in no time at all. To elevate your store-bought broth, add aromatics like ginger, onion, and star anise. Simmer these spices for at least 20 minutes to infuse deep, authentic flavors. While your broth simmers, prepare your rice noodles. Cook them separately according to package directions until they are just tender, then drain them well. This ensures your noodles have the perfect texture and don't make your broth cloudy. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more quick and easy recipes. On another note, making pho can sometimes mean leftovers, and you'll want to store them properly. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers, perfect for keeping your ingredients fresh. Check the description below for the product link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Now for the exciting part, assembling your pho bowl. First, place your cooked rice noodles into a large bowl. Arrange thinly sliced raw beef, along with your chosen fresh herbs and toppings over the noodles. Next, carefully ladle the piping hot, flavorful broth directly over everything. The heat from the broth will gently cook the raw beef to perfection. Garnish with fresh cilantro, basil, lime, and chili for that authentic taste.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.